Good morning, children. Now I am going to take science for you. Okay, children. So, if you have a textbook, please take your textbook and open your textbook page number 16. Okay, children. In the last class, I explained you of lesson. Now I am going to continue that lesson. So the lesson name is varieties of food, lesson number 6. Okay, children. So in this page they are given collect small pictures of different food materials, classify them and paste them in the space provided. So in the first A side they are given food materials obtained from plants. On the second B side they are given food materials obtained from animals. So you go for the shop, they asked in the shop, they will give the chart of pictures of different food materials. You bring them and cut it and paste in the books, okay children, or in the classwork. So you know that food materials obtained from the plants. So which are the food materials you get from the plants? For example, rice, ragi, jowar, like that. And food materials obtained from animals means fish, egg, milk, meat, like that pictures will be there. You must cut and paste. Okay children. So take next page. Kamala and Raju have their breakfast before coming to school. They have lunch in the afternoon along with their friends. They eat fruits after going home from school. Then they engage themselves in studies. All the members of their family sit together and have dinner. So here one boy and one girl named Kamala and Raju, they are eating their breakfast before coming to school. So they have lunch in the afternoon along with their friends in the school. So after coming from school they will eat the fruits, then they will be sitting and studying studies. So all the families in the night they will sit together and they will have a dinner. Okay children. Next, write the food habits of your family into a sentence. So what food habits you have in your family you must write in the space provided. Next, name 3 dishes that are prepared in your house. So what dishes they will prepare in your house you must write there. For example, idli, dosa, like that you can write. Where do you have your lunch? With whom do you eat and what do you eat? So where you will eat the lunch and with whom you will eat and what you will eat you must write there. Next question is, with whom do you have dinner? What do you like to have for dinner? So dinner means what you will eat and with whom you will eat and what you will eat, what you like. Next is, do the members of your family and you have the same food habits? Are they different? If they are, how and why you must write. Okay children. Next, here in this page they are given some pictures. Which utensil is used to cook food in your house? So ಯಾವ ಪಾತ್ರೆನ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? So you must put right there. In this picture different kinds of utensils used for cooking are shown. Put right mark for the utensils that you use in your house. So they are given a pot with made of steel and with made of mud and clay, and they are given small glass and coffee filter, tea filter, pan and all, bucket and all they are given. So which vessel you will use at your home you must put tick mark there. Okay children. So next page, here they are given some pictures of animals and birds. Observe the following animals and their food. Discuss with your friends. So in the first picture they are given the cow. So it is what it is eating? It is eating the grass. So in the second picture fish is there, it is swimming and inside the water it is eating small insects. Next is sheep. So sheep also is eating grass. So it is eating grass. Next, in the second line, first picture, elephant is there and it is eating sugar cane. Okay children. Next, in the second picture lizard is there. So what it is eating? It is eating insects. And in the next picture they are given rabbit. So what that rabbit is eating children? So it is eating carrot. No children. So next is in the third line, first picture is lion. So what it is eating? It is killing the deer and it is eating. So in the second picture pigeon is there and it is eating grains. So in the next picture squirrel is there, it is eating fruits, nuts and all. So in the next picture frog is there, it is swimming in the water and what it is eating? It is eating insects. Next picture they are given sparrow and it is eating grains. So next is goat. So what it is eating children? So it is eating grass. So by seeing this picture what we can know children? So we can know that different types of animals are eating different types of food. No children? So you can sit and discuss with your friends also. Next page. Some animals eat only food that they get from plants. For example, deer, rabbit, sheep, parrot, etc. So these animals will eat the food they will get from the plants. Some other animals eat other animals as their food. For example, tiger, lion, vulture, etc. So these animals will kill other animals and it will eat their flesh and all. So it is called, what it is called? It is called carnivorous. And carnivorous, omnivorous, there are three types: carnivorous, omnivorous and herbivorous. Okay children. Next, Salim has reared a cat at home. The cat comes near him mewing when Salim has his dinner. Salim gives milk to the cat. He knows that the cat is hungry. So Salim is keeping cat at home. So when the Salim is eating his food, the cats come near and Salim will give milk. So he knows that cat is hungry. So here they are given, aren't there many animals around you? Make a list of food they eat. So many animals will be near your house. So what food they will eat, you must write. So I have written here name of the animals as dog, parrot, cat, rabbit, lion, monkey. And what they eat, the food I have written. So dog will eat bone and it will drink milk. So parrot will eat grains and cat will drink milk. So next, rabbit, it will eat grass, carrot and all. Next, lion. So lion will kill other animals and it will eat their flesh. So monkey will eat banana, nuts and all. Okay children. So this is the name of the animals and their food. Next page. Here are pictures of animals and the food they eat. Match them by drawing lines. So I have written the number here. So first picture is elephant. So what it will eat? So it will eat sugar cane. So in the B side, in the fourth line, it is a sugar cane picture. So you there write there 1. Okay children. Next is frog. So frog, what it will eat? It will eat insect. So in the B side, in the fifth line, it is a grasshopper. So picture is a grasshopper picture is there. So you write second there. Next, in the A side, in the third line, cat is there. So what it will drink children? So it will drink milk. So in the B side, in the last line, milk is there. There you write number 3. Next, monkey is there. So monkey, what it will eat? So it will eat banana. No children? So in the B side, in the second line, banana picture is there. There you write 4. Next is cow. So cow, what it will eat children? So it will eat grass. So in the B side, first line, grass picture is there. So you write first there. Next is rabbit. So what it will eat? So it will eat carrot. No children? So in the B side, in the third line, carrot picture is there. So you write 6 there. So also once again, for elephant, sugarcane, frog, grasshopper, cat, milk, monkey, banana, cow, grass, rabbit, carrot. Okay children, so the number are 5, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay children. Next, develop the habit of feeding birds with grain. So if near your house, if birds are there, you give for them to eat grains. Okay children. So I think you could have understood this lesson. Any doubt children? So shall I ask some question children? So what food the dog will eat children? So the dog will eat bone and it will drink milk. So what cat will drink children? So the cat will drink milk. So what is the food of rabbit? The food of rabbit is grass. So what is the food of monkey children? So food of monkey is banana and nuts. So name some animals which eat plants children. So some animals eat deer, rabbit, sheep, parrot. So name some animals that eat other animals as their food children. So the animals that eat other animals as food are tiger, lion, vulture, etc. Okay children. So you go to the shop and bring small pictures of different food materials. You cut it and paste in your classwork or in the textbook, that is page number 60. Okay children. So food materials obtained from plants and food materials obtained from animals. Okay children. So I am giving classwork also. So you please write neatly in the classwork new types question answers and all. Okay children. Thank you.